Welcome to how to record your laptop screen tutorial. In this video we're going to show you how to record your laptop screen using Active Presenter. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So if you open the Active Presenter website, you can actually download this software for free. As you see here, you can click on download and then you can install the file. After that, this is what you will see. You can click on record screen as video. I will click on full screen and then click on rec, as you see here. So if you go to start menu and click on icons, you will see the Active Presenter icon. You can click on it to see the recording. So here you can control the video recording. You can open the settings to customize your video and do a lot of things here. So let's stop recording to see where it saves. So as you see here, after you finish the video, this menu will open so you can edit your video as you like and add effects and do a lot more things. So here if you go to a certain second that you want to cut, you can right click and then click on cut, and you can duplicate the video, you can paste the video. If you already copied one, you can delete this video too. So if you want to save your project to continue another time, you can click on Active Projector and save your project from here to complete it in another time. So after you finish your video, you can go to export and then click on video, and here you can put your custom settings and quality and then browse the file location and click OK to export your video. Also you can export it on a lot of other formats like PowerPoint presentation or Excel file or Word file or PDF. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.